Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook catfish in an air fryer. First, choose fresh catfish fillets, ideally around 4 to 6 ounces each, as this size cooks evenly. Patting your fillets completely dry with paper towels is a crucial step. This removes excess moisture, ensuring your fish will achieve that wonderfully crispy skin in the air fryer. This simple preparation sets the foundation for a perfectly cooked dish. Seasoning is key to flavorful catfish. A simple yet effective blend includes 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika for a lovely color and taste. Begin by lightly brushing each fillet with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This helps the seasonings adhere. Then, generously and evenly coat both sides of your catfish with the spice mixture, ensuring every part is covered for maximum flavor. Preheating your air fryer is a vital step for achieving consistent results. Set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and let it preheat for approximately 5 minutes. This brings it to the optimal cooking temperature. Carefully arrange your seasoned catfish fillets in a single layer within the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Allow a little space between each piece for proper air circulation, which is essential for even crisping. Cooking the catfish in 2 stages ensures it gets perfectly crispy all around. After the initial 8 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully open the air fryer. Using tongs or a spatula, gently flip each catfish fillet over to the other side. Close the air fryer and continue cooking for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. You're aiming for a beautiful golden brown color and a firm texture, indicating it's almost done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.